How to fix payment method declined on Play Store. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix payment method declined in Play Store. Now if the payment method is declined on Play Store, then it might be due to a number of reasons. The first thing is that your payment method isn't updated. Now you want to check to find if your payment method is up to date. If it isn't up to date, you want to update it in the payment center. Now to update it, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on payments and subscriptions, tap on payment methods there, and here you'll be able to see your payment methods. You want to edit it and you want to update it. If not, what you want to do is you want to remove that one and you want to add in again the same payment method. You want to add it again so that it gets updated. Now you want to make sure you have enough money in your account for the purchases as well. If you are still having issues, then you might want to contact your bank to find if there is a problem within your account. So this way you can fix payment method declined and Play Store. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.